Hello everyone, I'm Najwa Lutfiah Ahmad and today I would like to retell a novel with the title Betrayal by Claire Francis. The story is about Hugh Wellesley. He is a businessman and his life becomes complicated after the mysterious death of a woman named Sylvie. The story begins when Hugh is dealing with serious problems in his company, and at the same time, the police start investigating the death of Sylvie. The police believe that Sylvie may have been seen on Hugh's family boat before the death. Because of this, Hugh becomes one of the people connected to the investigation. Although Hugh tries to stay focused on saving his company, the police continue asking questions and putting pressure on him. As the investigation grows, Hugh becomes more stressed and he feels trapped between two problems. First, his company is facing a financial crisis, and the second, he is becoming more involved in the investigation of Sylvie's death. And Hugh had been involved in a secret relationship with Sylvie for a long time, and he was deeply attracted to her and slowly became obsessed with her. Because of this affair, he had been lying on his wife, Ginny, and making risky decisions. And Hugh was questioned by the authorities, but there is not enough evidence to charge him, so he was released on bail. Even after her death, Hugh keeps finding out more about Sylvie's secret life, and he starts to feel that she had been using him all along. Meanwhile, back in the present, the police investigation continues, and Ginny tries to protect Hugh by creating an alibi and telling lies to support him. However, the situation becomes worse. Soon after that, the police arrest Ginny, and Hugh is shocked and heartbroken because he believes that Ginny is innocent. But Hugh cannot stop the police from taking her away. After Ginny is arrested, Hugh becomes determined to prove her innocence while also trying to discover what really happened to Sylvie. During one of their conversation, Ginny makes a surprising confession. She admits that she found Sylvie's body on the day of the incident, but she never reported it to the police. Ginny explained that at that time she thought Hugh had killed Sylvie. Because she wanted to protect him, she secretly moved Sylvie's body and threw it into the sea. At the same time, Hugh and Ginny began talking honestly about their marriage. They realized that many of their problems came from years of poor communication and misunderstandings. While Hugh searched for answer of the incident, he also investigates the people who were connected to Sylvie. His suspicions eventually turn toward his brother, David. Hugh believes that David may know more about Sylvie's death, and despite all this complication, the case eventually begins to fall apart. The prosecution depends heavily on the testimony of an elderly witness named Gordon. Gordon claims that he saw Ginny near the boat in that day, which could have proven she was involved in the murder. However, his evidence turns out to be weak and unreliable, which actually helps Ginny's case. And finally, the court decides that there is not enough evidence against Ginny. She is officially released and no longer faces prosecution. And Ginny is grateful, and everyone around them feels relief that and celebrates the outcome. After Ginny is finally free, in the very last part of the story, David finally tells Hugh the whole truth in private. David admits that he was also secretly in love with Sylvie, and David explained everything to Hugh. His affair with Sylvie had been going on for months, and he had become completely obsessed with her. David had planned to meet Sylvie on the boat in that day, but he got delayed by something urgent. Now, by the time he finally got to the river, he was almost an hour late. Now, when David got there, he saw someone rowing a small boat back towards him. For a moment, he thought it was Sylvie, but he soon realized that it was his own wife, Mary, wearing an old raincoat. He hid so that Mary wouldn't see him. After that, David tried calling Sylvie, but she didn't answer. And David looked for Sylvie's boat at Ellie and at Sam Pier, but couldn't find it anywhere. Even then, he said he had a bad feeling something was wrong, but he ignored it and told himself that Sylvie was probably fine. Looking back now, he believes that Sylvie's boat was probably there at Ellie, but he just didn't see it. He cannot stop thinking that if only he had gone to check properly, maybe David could have saved her. And later, David secretly checked Mary's car and found that same raincoat along with some clothes badly stained. Looking at all the evidence, the raincoat, the stain, and the fact that Mary had been the only one near Sylvie's boat that day, David became convinced that Mary was the one who had killed Sylvie. He never told the police about Mary because it would also expose his own affair and destroy his family. But since he knew that Ginny was innocent, he found another way to help her instead. He secretly gave old Gordon, the eyewitness in court, some medication that affected his memory, just enough to make his testimony weak and unreliable. This was part of the reason the case against Ginny eventually fell apart. The novel never showed exactly what happened between Mary and Sylvie that day, so the reader is left to draw the same conclusion as David. However, the police never find out about any of this. Only Hugh and David suspect the truth. And after everything is revealed, Hugh keeps the truth to himself. Life for the family continues as if nothing has changed. And when Hugh finally goes home to Ginny, the story ends on a quiet, hopeful note, and Hugh and Ginny grow closer and more honest with each other. And Hugh realized that just how much Ginny truly cares about him. And so, that's all from me. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.